Hey everyone, in this tutorial, I'll show you how to fix Hotmail and Outlook connection problems in 2026. So if you're getting login errors, sync failures, or server connection issues, yeah, this guide will help you fix everything step by step. First, make sure your internet connection is stable. A weak Wi-Fi or mobile data is one of the most common reasons Outlook can't connect. Next, restart the Outlook app or your device. So this clears temporary glitches that might be blocking the connection. Now check if Microsoft services are down. I mean, sometimes the issue is not on your side at all, but on their servers. If you're using a VPN or proxy, turn it off. These tools can block or slow down Outlook's connection to Microsoft servers. So yeah, go to your device settings and clear the Outlook app cache. Corrupted data can often cause connection failures. If the problem continues, remove your Hotmail account and add it again. Or reinstall the Outlook app to reset everything completely. And that's how to fix Hotmail Outlook connection problems in 2026. Once your internet, app settings, and account are properly refreshed, your connection should start working normally again. If this guide helped you out, feel free to check out more Hotmail and Outlook troubleshooting tutorials. Hey everyone!